Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Tales from the Garden, the stories behind the names. This is Dr. A, and I'm sitting in my neighbor's garden and just want to have fun telling stories because, gosh, as gardeners, that's what we seem to do so well. Sometimes the stories we tell don't make a whole lot of sense, but that's what sometimes stories are all about. You might be able to see behind me here, this light's not quite so good, but this is a lovely group of this plant called Physostegia. I make faces when I say it, Physostegia. And it's a native plant from Virginia, mid-Atlantic states. And but its common name is obedient plant. So how in the heck did it get its name obedient plant? Well, I'm going to pick off flowers here. See how pretty it is. It's in the salvia family, by the way. But why is it called obedient plant? Well, I read stories about it. You're supposed to be able to take these flowers and, make them go where they want to go. I always found that they certainly didn't behave for me. They weren't obedient at all until I realized that the trick behind the story was not so much that the plant, if you take the flower and you push it down, would stay down. However, if you pushed it to the side, it stays there. See? So every time I have an obedient plant, and they are quite obedient, they're terrible garden plants, by the way, as far as behaving themselves, but I just push the flower to one side and it stays there. That's kind of cool. So when you're playing with flowers, you say, come on, let's go get some obedient plant and let's see why it's called obedient. Just push the flowers to one side and they stay there. Obedient plant. Remember, this is a garden plant that people love, but if you plant it, you're probably going to be giving it away to a lot of neighbors. But it's pretty, so why not? Obedient plant. It is obedient, just not in a garden. Have fun.